Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Um, I have recently I found a bottle of homemade yellow rice wine that I bought a couple of months ago. I decided to make my wife's favorite dish, which is a yellow rice wine chicken, and of course, she asked me to add in some fried egg. Yeah, so I have some free range chicken here, cut into chunks, marinated with a little bit of Shaoxing wine and some salt, and prepare a few slices of ginger here, and few pieces of fried egg, and we have of course this is the yellow rice wine and some water. I will mix about 1 to 1. You can see the stains here. I basically accidentally used too high heat to burn the bottom of the non-stick wok. Yeah, non-stick woks. This is my favorite non-stick wok, which I only bought it for a few months. I really sakit hati lah. So don't use too high heat on your non-stick wok. Yeah. First of all, we are going to saute the ginger, give it some oil, and heat it up. Once you heat up the oil, put in the ginger, and we were going to saute the ginger to make it a little bit brown. Some prefer to make some ginger, julienne ginger, also can. For added flavor, I'm going to give it a little bit of sesame oil here. Once the ginger started to brown, I'm going to put in the marinated chicken. Saute it for a while. I can smell the sesame together with the ginger. Right, I have charred the chicken a little bit. Next thing, we are going to add in the rice wine. This is a homemade rice wine. Of course, I bought it online. Then, I'm going to mix with approximately similar amount of water, yeah, 1 to 1. Some people use 100% yellow rice wine, can also, up to you. So I'm going to bring this to a boil, then let it boil for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, then it is done. Once it has started to boil, I'm going to tune down the fire to approximately medium to medium low, yeah, and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll probably cook it for 10 minutes first, then I'll put in the egg. I noticed some scums floating on the soup, so I'm going to try to remove some of the scums lah, so that the dish can look more clearer later. I almost forgot. Let's put in some fine salt. So this is after simmering for approximately coming to 10 minutes. I'm going to add in the egg. And let it continue simmer for a couple of more minutes. Then right before serving, you just adjust to taste using some salt. That's it. That's how simple it is. Right, this is total simmering time from the beginning until now, probably about 13-14 minutes. I think good enough lah. I'm just going to give it some more fine salt. No need to put sugar because rice wine, after you cook it, whatever left over is actually the sweetness. It's basically done, ready to be served. I really wish you all can smell this. It is super fragrant right now. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.